Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board one of our brand new Sylvan 2025 L3s. Starting off here on the front of the boat, we have a really nice wide, this is actually a 30-inch gate, so that makes it accessible for wheelchairs. Really nice wraparound seating up here with storage, nice roto-molded compartments here. This boat is a tri-tune configuration, so it does have a center storage. Fit all your skis, all your life jackets, all your floaties, everything you're wanting to bring out on the lake with you guys. Another really nice feature of this Sylvan L3 is going to be your changing station. Moving into the helm configuration of this boat, this is going to be a dual captain's chair configuration. You are going to have your Hummingbird multifunction display, as well as your rocker switches for all your master power, your lighting, and then this boat does have an upgraded wet sounds audio system. Starting off on the aft section of this boat, we are going to have really nice L-shaped seating, as well as a cockpit table with 4 different cup holders. Really cool part of this seating configuration here is you actually do have a swing back seat. So if you're facing forward or you're facing aft, you can move this forward and back and have a really nice sun lounger back here. Here on the starboard side of the boat, you are going to have another storage compartment. And then another awesome feature of this boat, you are going to have a fully powder-coated rail. So whether you got little ones out there on the water with you, or you're bringing your furry friends, they're all going to be contained inside of the pontoon, safe and sound. This boat is going to be configured with a 200 horsepower Mercury Pro XS outboard. And then something Sylvan did this year on the L3 is they made it a standard option for the lily pad ladder. If you'd like to learn more about the 2025 Sylvan L3, visit us here at MarineMax in Bald Ridge Marina. I look forward to showing you this boat.